3, 2, 1, jump!
Let's see what we have here. It's nice car. Yes, it is nice car. Good. Yeah. What is? Hey. Okay. This is the first one. We will put it here. Again, let us see what we have. I think, yeah. What this? Yeah. It's good. Can open, I think. Again. Go. Go. Okay. Keep it here. Let us see again what we have. Yeah. It is a nice car. Nice yellow car. It's a nice yellow car. Yes. I love it. I like it. It is very cute car. Very nice car. What is? It is memory card or what? I don't know. I need like this car. I need it. Really, I need it. Okay. Let us try it. Okay, we clean the road a little bit. We will make it. Yes, nice. We will put it here. Now, let us see what we have again. What is one? It is green and white car? Bus car? Yes, it is so cute car. It's more. Yeah, now it's clean. Now it is clean. good car. I like it. Let us check it again. It's gone. Let's go. Say let's go. Yes, very nice. Again, I will show you something. Again. Let's see it together. Very nice. We will put it here. Let us see what we have again. Nothing here. Nothing here also. Where is my car? Yeah, what this one? Yeah. Very clean. Very nice. So cute car. Very small also. Very clean. And very nice car. So cute. Yes. I also like it. Small taxi, I think. Or a special car. Let us check it. Yeah, come here, come here. Let's check it again. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Let's check. Okay. Oh, good. Again. Yes, again. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Okay, we will put it here. You will see again what we have. I need very big car. I need it to be very big car, not small, not cute. I need it strong. Huh? What is one? Yes, I think that's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah. I think it is Mack car, Mack brand, maybe. Very big car. Yes, you will put something to pull it. Let's check it. Oh, yes, leave it here. What we have also, I have to check again. I have to check what we have. I need very good. I think here we have someone. What this car? What this car? Yes. It is a glass car. too much old car. Classic car. Personal car. Car for just one person. Clean it. Yes. Nice. It is nice. Yeah. Huh? Ah. Okay. We will keep it here. Yes. Again, what we have? I need. Again, what? This one. Oh, it is army car. It is army car. It's good. Yes. I think it is very slowly car. We call it the Baba. I think it is very slowly car going by this way. We call it the Baba. Yes. Army car. You leave it like that. Oh, what did I do? Please come back. Yes, it's good now. Okay, leave it here. What do we have again? We have to check. Oh, I need very good. What this one? I see something here. Do you see with me? I see something here. You see this one? Yes. What this car? It is also army car. Yes. It is army car. Yes, now it's clean. Now it is clean, little bit clean. Oh, let us check it again. Good. Good dear. Yeah. What do you have also? Let us check. Oh, yes. I need another car. Thing we have. Very good and nice car. Yes. Clean. Yeah. Clean. Yes. It is a nice car. Open the other door. I think we have to pull this out like that. Yes. Very nice. I need like this car. I love it. Please, my God, help me. I need like this car. I need it real, not toys. Yeah, it is very good, very nice. Yeah. Close the door. Okay. Close the drive door. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Thank you. Let's go. Wait. Good. Yeah. Let us shake the wheel. Again. Good, nice. We will keep it here. Okay, what we have again? What do we have also? Nothing. Nothing we have. But I think we have a surprise. This one. Yeah. This sport car. It is very nice car. Very nice color. Big wheel. Very cute also. Yes. Yes, I like it. Someone give me like this car. Please. I need it. Really, I need it. Okay. This is all we have now. This is all we have. We will rearrange it. Yes, we have to put the big car in the bottom, and then the army cars here with the classic car, and then we have to put the cute car. Yes, this is the cute car. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Very nice and very cute. Very nice and very cute cars. Okay, bye bye my friends. Let's see you again in our next video. Please subscribe to our channel in order to give you more videos. Okay, bye bye.